All right, happy Tuesday. At the screening last night, they gave us these tickets for the, because you know how I might have told you they have the whole theater reserved for the screening of Gravity yesterday, Monday, and it comes out on Friday. So they have a special row for press, which I am, and then the rest of the seating is for people that won radio contests or I don't know. I think there's like sneak preview clubs or something. There's a multitude of ways that people get these tickets, but the row with the bar in front of it, sometimes the row behind that, sometimes the row behind that is reserved for journalists. So Ron and I sat there, and normally they just stamp your hand with a different stamp than everybody else gets. Yesterday they stamped our hand and gave us these little tickets that say reserved seating. And I was going to throw it away today, but I thought it might be funny, like when I'm riding the train or something, to just put it in a seat and see if somebody notices. And if they sit there or don't sit there or ignore it altogether. That's the most likely thing. They'll probably just ignore it altogether. But that could be a fun little public prank to play, right? So I'm getting a late start with the vloggy here. So being that it's evening, maybe I'll show you guys the park at night or something. Or maybe I'll show you guys JoJo on a ride to the store. I don't know. I'm going to mull it over, but it's like 7:30 now, so within the hour and a half or so, I'll put it up. Alright, peace. Well, hello. Yeah, so no outside. I don't feel like doing it. A little sore from the allergies. I don't know. I'm sorry to be complaining about it, but it is rough this year. I mean, the edges of my face itch. Lots of coughing all night. And my communications instructor has the same allergies I do because she almost had to leave class the other day. She interrupted somebody's speech. It was awful for her and the person speaking. But in other news, I got my little iPhone lenses today. Take off the little lens cap here. So, if I can get this lens cap off. So here it is. I tried it out a little bit, and I was supposed to have gotten 3. So there it is. And this is magnetic, and what happens is either your phone's supposed to be magnetic, which it's not, or you've got these little rings that you glue onto your phone, and then it connects like that. And then there's this cute little carrying thing. I don't trust it though. But I think I was supposed to get 3, and I only got 2. And I tried them out, and they don't solve the problem I was having. They just make it wider. So for instance, you see to here in the books, when I put it on, you could see over to there. So it's like wide angle. I've got 2 wide angle lenses. What? I was more concerned about the depth of field, as you know. But I did pay cheap. But anyway, there's only 2, so I think I was supposed to get 3, so I'm going to take a look later. About to take a bath. My whole body's sore from coughing so much. Not my whole body, just my core. But here's another thing. For some reason, I kept wanting chili mac. Hey, look, see? You can see our little knick-knack thing there. Anyway, I kept wanting chili mac, as in macaroni and cheese with chili in it. And I thought, and it's one of those things, I thought, hey, I'll just make some macaroni and cheese and put some chili in it. No. It's not how it works. It's like the old Mitch Hedberg comedian. If you don't know him, look him up. Mitch Hedberg, hilarious. He's dead though, so there's no new stuff coming out. He said, so at home I made some Sprite. It says it is made from lemon and lime, so I took lemon and lime. I tried to give it to my friend. I said, would you like some homemade Sprite? And he said, no, not until you figure out what else goes in it. So that's kind of like me with the chili mac. There's got to be other elements that I'm missing because it was pretty rough. I always know it's rough when Alicia takes her first bite and is just quiet and hunches over. Alright, more tomorrow.